So we got this 2001 Ford Mustang GT. Customer complaint is they hear a popping noise while driving. He says he hear it in the rear, so we're gonna first drive it just to make sure I can confirm that noise that he's hearing. Let's see, can I get it to make this noise that he's so-called hearing? He said it makes a popping noise when he's driving. Oh, I already heard the noise. Oh, dang. That sound nasty. He was right. You definitely hearing a popping noise, but I don't hear that on the rear. That's definitely for sure coming from that front. All right, so got both wheels jacked up off the ground. First thing I'm gonna do is my tie rod test and my ball joint test. First, I was thinking tie rods or the steering rack just because it was popping real loudly when I was turning. But then I realized I can drive straight and it still made a popping noise. Now the customer said the noise is in the rear. Clearly, I don't hear the noise in the rear. I hear it more in the front. Let's do the tie rods first. Definitely a lot of play. That's too much play right here. Then we're gonna go ball joint. Now, with me already doing that testing, it's play on both sides, and then also on this rotor. I don't know if y'all remember that video I did with that Ram 1500, but this situation almost looks similar, if you know what I'm talking about. That Ram 2500, it had a wheel bearing issue, and it was kind of, with that wheel bearing having too much play, it was kind of digging in that rotor right here. You see this wheel moving, but this tie rod is not moving. It's pretty stiff. The suspension part is pretty stiff. You look closer at that bearing. You can almost see the play coming from that wheel bearing, man. All right, man, so this one was a quick, easy one for me to find. I'm gonna recommend both wheel bearings. Now, the drive side is the only one that's bad, so realistically, you don't have to have both done, but just by the book, if one is bad, the other one is coming. Unless he already had the passenger side done, but yeah, quick wheel bearing. I'm pretty sure he just want to get it back up and running so he's able to drive it. But that's it.